you got there, Charlie Brown? You came City. Out here in these woods on them 4 diamonds, I'm gone.
Ten Roger Doorknob, well, right back to you, man. It's rough and tough on these Outer Banks of the Carolinas right now. I got about a 50 dB wall of noise, but you cutting on through on them 4 diamonds down there on the dirt road in Music City. Hey, Doorknob, Charlie Brown, your 28 good time gang partner, waving at you from these Outer Banks of the Carolinas. I'm getting on down.
Hello, Charlie Brown. Charlie Brown, be break, 2-1.
Yeah, I hear somebody out there calling Charlie Brown. I sure do, man. It's rough and tough. I got a 50 dB cotton picking wall of sound on these Outer Banks of the Carolinas. I hear everybody and their brother and their sister too, but that's all right. Everybody's sounding good, Charlie Brown, in the Carolinas on this CB28 Good Time Gang, getting on down.
Charlie Brown, Big Daddy, MaulDropper, Big Daddy, read the bell.
Hello out there, MaulDropper. Hey, Big Daddy MaulDropper. Charlie Brown said it's rough and tough, but you cut right through the mustard. Hello, Big Daddy MaulDropper. Charlie Brown in the Carolinas, your 28 CB Channel 28 Good Time Gang partner. Just got down.
Hey, Charlie Brown, 445 with the wave.
Hello, 445 Radio Man. Hey, you cutting through that wall of sound coming over here to these Outer Banks too, man. 445, it's a train wreck in my radio, but I did hear your call. 445 Radio Man, Charlie Brown in these Carolinas. Got this hammer down on 20 foot of pipe and a $70 ground plane. 445, your CB28 Good Time Gang partner just got down.
325, my friend, 325. What's going on in that trees? What you just said? Who's out there? I said about Radioman making noise. I didn't catch the name or number out there. I think he said around WDC out there. How about it?
Hey, 445, you hit me 60 dB strong that time, man. Hey, 445, if you got a copy on Charlie Brown, I'm waving 4-1 at you from these Outer Banks of the Carolinas. 445, Charlie Brown, CB28 Good Time Gang partner, got down. Rooster in these hills, I'm checking my phone, I'm back wide. That's what I needed right there. Wild child, all in Ricochet's radio. I'm waving back. Hello, Ricochet. Hello, Ricochet in Georgia. Hey, Ricochet, can you roll a 5 to my good friend 494 Wild Child Challenge Charlie Brown? Said, hello, Mellow Jello. Hey, Ricochet in Georgia. Charlie Brown, your CB28 Good Time Gang partner in these Outer Banks of the Carolinas, getting on down.
Hello there, Ricochet, B16 around Bluegrass, break.
Hello, 16. Hello, 16 round of Bluegrass. Charlie Brown in these Outer Banks of North Carolina, waving and stepping.
Charlie Brown. Hey, Charlie Brown, sounding real good. Coming in here around Moronville, Kentucky, 16 gone.
Hey, Roger, on that 16, well, man, say some of them flowers for yourself, because you're doing a fine job. I'm about as far east Out here on the Outer Banks of North Carolina as you can go without running in the water. Hey, 16 in them bluegrass. You sounding good in the Carolinas. Charlie Brown waving at you. And I'm getting on down.
All right, Charlie Brown, good hearing you there.
Bye, 16. Have a good one around the bluegrass. Hey, 16, Charlie Brown said bye, 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 bye.
But it's rough and tough. Hey, look, it's rough and tough. 16 gone.